What is the title of the autobiography written by actor and director Rob Lowe? Stories I Only Tell My Friends. The Brat Pack Diaries. West Wing Years. A Life in Hollywood. The correct answer is Stories I Only Tell My Friends. Which languages is Cleopatra VII historically believed to have spoken fluently? Egyptian, Greek, Latin. Greek, Latin, French. Latin, French, Spanish. Greek and Egyptian. The correct answer is Greek and Egyptian. What is the melting point of cadmium or CD? 100 degrees Celsius, 321 degrees Celsius, 505 degrees Celsius, 801 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 321 degrees Celsius. Which actor won the Academy Award for Best Actor for his role in The Revenant, 2015? Leonardo DiCaprio, Johnny Depp, Bradley Cooper, Tom Hardy. The correct answer is Leonardo DiCaprio. Throughout history and gemology, the ruby has most strongly symbolized which of the following? Love, passion, and power. Wealth and prosperity alone. Wisdom and insight. Protection from illness. The correct answer is love, passion, and power. What is the name of the tiny fairy who serves as Peter Pan's loyal companion in Peter Pan? Silver Mist, Tinker Bell, Wendy, Pixie Star. The correct answer is Tinker Bell. Which part of a plant is primarily responsible for photosynthesis? Roots, stems, leaves, flowers. The correct answer is leaves. Where are the two major ice caps of the world located? Siberia and Greenland. Greenland and Antarctica. Alaska and the Arctic Ocean. Iceland and Antarctica. The correct answer is Greenland and Antarctica. What is the longest mountain range on land on Earth? Himalayas, Andes, Alps, Rocky Mountains. The correct answer is Andes. What part of the human brain is primarily responsible for memory formation? Cerebellum, brainstem, hippocampus, medulla. The correct answer is hippocampus. Which element is essential for making nuclear power possible? Carbon, uranium, iron, silicon. The correct answer is uranium. Which scientific instrument is used to detect earthquakes? Barometer, thermometer, seismograph, anemometer. The correct answer is seismograph. What type of celestial object is Betelgeuse? White dwarf, neutron star, red supergiant star, main sequence star. The correct answer is red supergiant star. What biological process allows plants to make their own food? Respiration, fermentation, transpiration, photosynthesis. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Which type of blood cell is responsible for fighting infections? Red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells, plasma cells. The correct answer is white blood cells.